Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Hope You Are Really Happy, chapter 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yu Shao and Su Chang. It seems that the two of them already released from the hospital. Are you going out for a walk today? You can just always lie in bed. The wound is easy to heal. I went out and just came back. Well, definitely she was busy. I also want to take rest, but right now. But doesn't the wound just need to be healed? Does my mother want it to leave? Well, definitely. She's feeling bored right now. She was talking to her friend, but seems that she's not in the mood. Let's see. She was also already discharged. Right now, she was seeing Su Chang already got discharged from the hospital. Well, definitely, she is following her. She was really good, taking info. So Sing, are you discharged from the hospital? You can drink alcohol after surgery. The vote, are you discharged from the hospital? You can drink alcohol after surgery. Well, definitely. Seems that she was really following Sucha. Does anyone in the world use glass of traditional Chinese medicine? Maybe the rich will do it more. So magnanimous, I can see anything for the 3 days. Oh, it turns out, Su Chang, she was really all healed, faster than hers. Even nicknames also directly close as Su Sing. Su Sing? Well, definitely. Their names are almost the same. But, wait. Till now, she was continued to scrolling. This girl, instead of lying in the bed, taking rest, all she can do is to get gossips on Weibo. The nickname is directly called Su Sing. Well, it seems that she was really fond on her, that's why she followed her so much. Su Sing, she continued to think about it. This girl, did she really fall in love with her? Maybe cause right now, she continued to think about her. Instead of resting, all she can think is about Su Sing. It's an unforgettable name. Well, definitely she's not forgetting her name. Continue. Think about her, only her, at this moment. And she was really amazed by the name of Su Sing. It was late spring on Jiangsheng International Airport. New airport is good. It's make my business animal on the business trip a bit like a star. Ha ha. Now, she was really laughing hard. Suddenly, she got noticed someone. That's right now. Completely fashionable. Suddenly, she caught her attention. And who's the person she's looking her now? To Xiao, it seems that she got interested. Wow, she's more like a star suddenly appear. Well, definitely this girl. That's why she's got really attracted to her. She was also attracted to this girl. Hey, Su Sing. Turns out she recognized Su Sing. On far away, she recognized that it was Su Sing, that's why she got really interested, although right now Su Sing doesn't see her. When Su Sing looked back, what a coincidence! Su Sing seems to be happy. Well, let's see on what will happen. It seems that Su Sing is also traveling. What a coincidence that the two of them met again. A sudden situation. Yes, I'm on a business trip. What a coincidence, really. Where to? A sudden person possesses by the beauty of Su Sing. She looked at her. Xiao Shan cannot answer directly and said, Xin Cheng. Su Sing, definitely. It seems that she knows something. Looking at the reactions of Su Sing. I guess they're both traveling on the same place. Su Sing withdrew her ticket and put it on the bag. The ticket from her. Well, definitely, she's going to hide it. But right now, looking at Su Sing, it's still early. Oh, that's I'm still too early too. Oh, I sensed something wrong. Seems that the place and the time is almost the same for the two of them. The same flight and the same place. Is there such person who can chat? It looks fine in the hospital, at least it is normal. But right now she really finds Su Sing is not talkative. Not really talkative as her. Yu Xiao, at this moment, she regained her vitality. Yes, Yu Xiao said. Regain her vitality, yes. I'm going to have breakfast at Kerfachi. Are you looking at it? Oh, it seems that she wants to take a breakfast together with her. Is this the first time you have to come this airport and you don't know how to get things off? Coincidentally, it is true. Right now, it was good. Yu Xiao said to her. Well, maybe Yu Xiao, she was really shy person. On that moment, the two of them were getting closer to each other. Especially for Yu Xiao. She's been talkative all the time, but only she is spoken when Xu Xiao is talking to her. Well, definitely, the two of them are eating together. And it was Xu Xiao who always looking at the face of Su Xing. For Su Xing, look at her. She is really fashionable. Although at this time, this guy's coke is small. It has a deep meaning. Oh, definitely, she was really looking at her. That's why she can see anything. Suddenly, Su Xing got notice her. Asked her, what's wrong? Probably she is seeing Yu Xiao always looking at her and staring at her at the moment. That's why Su Xing, she got curious and asked Yu Xiao. But for Yu Xiao, I suddenly found something, my friend. Oh, it's looked like she was really fall in love with her. Su Xing, at this moment, she seems to be surprised and said, huh? As Yu Xiao, she was only staring at her. You have never called my name since I called you. Oh, Yu Xiao, she really noticed everything, including calling her name. Well, of course, maybe shy towards her, but do you remember what my name was? Yu Xiao is asking Su Xing. Well, can Su Xing really remember her name? Probably. Or maybe really forget it. A little freak. This manhwa is updated every Sunday. I hope you guys support it. Click the like and comment about this manhwa so you can see about your opinion. Definitely Su Xing at this moment. On the eyes of Yu Xiao, she was really beautiful. Only she can look at Su Xing. And Yu Xiao, she looks really enchanted by the beauty of Su Xing. At this moment, she cannot leave her eyes seeing her face. But on Su Xing, she told her, in the same boat, the two of them will go together. But it really makes sense. Right now, it seems that Yu Xiao, she really can understand it because she's being enchanted by the beauty of her. As for you, we are on the same boat. Yu Xiao will not understand it since she was busy on looking on her face. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!